Welcome to the Golden Ladle, the home cooking channel. Making mango pickle is nothing short of a ritual in the Telugu states of Telangana and Andhra. Many are the types and the names, and the recipe varies from house to house. Avakaya, the most common, is made from mangoes, mustard powder, chili powder, and salt with sesame oil. A variation of it is Pesara Avakaya or Moong Dal Avakaya. I will share with you my grandmother's delicious recipe of the same. Before starting, make sure that every vessel and ladle is washed and dried well. Wash and dry your hands as well before you start. In a pan, take 1 kilo of moong dal or pesarapappu as it is called in Telugu. Roast it on a medium to low flame very slowly and patiently till it turns golden brown. Now cool it and grind it into a coarse powder. Now take 5 kilograms of mango pieces along with the outer shell attached to them. I am using a Tupperware airtight container to make the pickle. Add 250 grams of red chili powder. The chili powder, mustard powder, salt and oil are available specially to make pickles. Do get them to make the pickles taste better and last longer. Now add 250 grams of mustard powder. And 200 grams of sea salt. Now add the powdered moong dal or pesarapappu. And mix thoroughly. Make sure all the pieces are coated with the masalas properly. Once it's thoroughly mixed, the color changes to a beautiful pinkish orange. Now add 1 liter of gingerly oil or sesame oil. And mix thoroughly. The oil must drench all the pieces and the masala. It should look like this by the time you're done mixing. To this, add 1 cup of whole chana. Chana absorbs the flavors of the pickle and tastes like little balls of deliciousness. Add 1 cup of garlic pods and mix it again. And it's done. The powders have soaked in the oil and the pieces are evenly covered with the masala. Cover and keep it aside for 3 days. Make sure to take it out every day and give it a mix. After mixing the pickle on day 1, you can always adjust the quantities of salt and the masalas. On day 3, the pickle is well marinated and the aroma is just out of the world. The dal powder, chana and garlic soak in the sourness of the mangoes and the masala, and the taste is out of this world. You will definitely make it year after year after you try it once. I found my grandmom's vintage pickle jars and I'll be storing some of it in them. I freeze the rest in an airtight container, and this helps the pickle retain the day 3 freshness all year long. Once you're done transferring it into the jar, make sure that the oil is around a ½ inch above the pickle. This helps the pickle retain its freshness all year long. Let me know in the comments below if you like the recipe. And do share the video with your friends and family and subscribe to the channel. I will meet you again with another delicious recipe. Until then, take care.